Hi. So what we're gonna do today is to set up our Otis sensor model OI 6900, and this is for H2S. And by the way, setting up this H2S is also the same setting up your LEL, SO2, CO2, and whatever. Okay, we have two options on how to do it. We can use the push buttons or we can use the magnet. Okay, and I'll be showing you how to use the magnet. So we will be placing our magnet over the menu. We have long press and we have short press. Okay, so if we will do the short press or momentarily press, it is the changing of the radio address. Okay, so let's do it. Then press it again. Then press it again. So this is now set up to radio address number 1. We can add or we can subtract. Okay, you got it? Next, we will press menu again, then it will go back to normal display. Next is our long press. This is changing our network ID. Okay, so we will place our magnet again, make it steady until this relay test will be showing. What you need to do is press the magnet again. So it will now have your option to change your network ID. You can again add or you can subtract. Okay, then once it is confirmed for your network ID, then we can again press menu again until it will go back to normal display. Then that's it. Very easy. Okay, I hope you have learned something. Thank you. Bye.